carajo. You must swag another. They remind me of someone.
Someone?
Yeah, someone.
Oh.
Your face and I don't go. Anyways, who buys any Kimber? This is what Kimberley. Okay, who buys any?
It's a long story.
Okay, we have plenty of time, so.
Say Shambotawa. I'll repeat. Don't say Kimberley. And my one on the Sarafina. Luba Kwamsani. So, ndine yangu enda ndikakwana mama wangu. Mama wangu akanditi ndinotsvaga babu wangu. But vakatifanisa maitanya. Ndikwanisa ndibatsira. Because ivo vakati vakatorerwa murume namaitanya. And vakaita zvekungomitiswa. Murume ndopaenda. And kana muri mubatanya vacho, I think kuti ndimi baba wangu. Vari kumba.
Sarafina. Sami. Okay.
Sikandi baba wangu ere.
Umukuru munga?
Ndine 17.
Oh, you're still young. Don't you think what you said so root out is not like mama wari pan? Aru so to yakuno.
Zviziva vari kuzviziva. Basi ndakamutaura nawo nyacho.
What do we now?
Pane zvonguva chimboitawo zvona. Ndaona zvakakosha kuti ndiyozokutsvagai kana muri baba vangu. Nekuti vamwe vanonzana mamoyo, vamwe vanonzana chihera. Ini ndiri munhu weruziya ndikasina mutupo.
Utauriswa ngemai wako na?
Zvakanaka kuti ndiziye dzinza rangu kana muri neni baba vangu.
But ndoda kuona mai wako first. I think we're going to get this. So, ukaenda kumba. Unoodza kuti kwandanga ndaenda kwekwe. Muda kuonekwa. Nai. Mwana baba atanya wakawanda munyika, right? Kana maitanya wakawanda munyika, mandiri. So,
asi panapa ndo pandakaratidzwa kuti ndopamba pamaitanya panesa.
yeah. But, Sandra, all right, fine. I'll tell you what. Sambo chichaga. Andika, afanisa na maitanya. Sambo chimchaga. Chuya panapa yona mai vako. Andika, ndo taura navo. Togera pasi, totora navo. Walipo, iwe wacho ripo. I don't want to hide anything from you, okay? I mean, you have got that courage. You would do your panabandi to usqueta the right thing. I get it. But mama wako. You're too young for me to talk to you about your heights. This is Kim. Nenzare and you pay something to eat.
And ngambojike kainsingaziye baba wangu.
Wow. Wasinga kujika chikafu chako ndichasiya mbai momo. Because you're not going anywhere, it's not good. And stop being stubborn like me, okay? Okay, Ramba. I wish I had from Bon.
Ngandakudze vanoti andinanza.
Okay. Okay. Then a big favorite young man who does the sausage. But then since you stand there, you know what you can take. Yeah, but that's that.
Batanya.
Yo. Oh, what's up, my G? Howdy. Good. Right. Why doesn't watch later?
Yeah, kwewa mbazira mana.
Ngara sigane. I told all my Tanya is a super on my way. Tanya is very popular, right?
Because Nadati, your past is coming for you.
Nanato chikira do jendo je. Famous, women, right? Fine. So, come on, no chila zero. Come on, chila zero. You wanna go? What?
Indoors not Gatsika.
Oh, I'm happy. I just said so. It's been a long time since I try my tongue, so yeah, I am happy. Makes people happy. Come on, let's go. Don't get married, my friend. Why in the bandit banana? Yes, I don't buzz. I'm going to pink. A pink, I did. But you know what? My Italians I say pink. You know the hibiscus. And I'm like, this is pink. Because like it was here I am. I think I'm baby. I don't think I'm going white. And I'm black. But
What do I know?
Tatum bonnetan. Yanga I know. But then it's on. Skanda unyanza. I think I got that shit. So my advice, don't get married. No need.
So make us say the daughter.
No. You are married.
I'm already married.
So you know this is hibiscus, eh? It's not pink, it's hibiscus. I don't know what the difference.
I'm married to Wimbai. Maybe so that we married to Wimpiso. Two, remember I started when I'm there.
Yeah, I'm always no need that. But ever since I was married, that's not a zone which can offer a 2 pieces. 2 slices, the Shimba does not zone, Zviri health.
Those are the health. You don't get low phrase.
There's a dumbo zone when the out in my friends, I could say health again. But this is so now since I was married, then I don't went out. Like, women.
Well, those are agents marriage. But you can do that with your wife. Do things together. So why boy don't work you know? Can if you don't know the bar, take your wife. If you don't know gocha, take your wife. Don't know my shops, take your wife. You know, right out toilet, take your wife.
Excellent. What happened to you? Tapu Mondays in Narubi.
Arpana.
No. You know what? He got married. May his DSO rest in pieces. A moment of silence for our Tafuma. The one again, the bachelor life and get amazing.
I'm not resting in peace yet.
In pieces, you are.
Wakawanda wanogona kutongotanga kuona guwa pauri.
No man, that's not what I mean. You got married. There's no resting in pieces, put a pap.
No, my marriage is so happy. We are happy, you know. I don't go on the mirror and didn't toilet. I can mirror at those.
That's even worse.
Yeah, I'm mirror, and then I'm comfortable. I got on the mirror, jitters and took it up on toilet, you know. You need to go to mirror. I go to the baby at tish. I bump away. We got out very jungle never end somewhere. You don't know mirror on cut to go toilet.
Do you actually know what Jim Zimbabwe in a Nimo? Nema Zai, Nema Dumbi, Nema Dumi Abado. No way in hell.
And the can watch them walk so much out on to good move.
My senses are going to be wish and I wish I know very well. For you.
Yeah.
She knows someone else is Sarafina.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh. Why now asking about Sarafina?
Nothing. I'm going to go down. Nothing, I'm just asking.
Go on.
Yeah.
What's going on? Monica, that was there for too long. You know. I'm going to go for some. What I got?
We remember the story, eh?
Why are you asking about Sarafina?
Oh, because I never thought of Charima Mundawan, right? Tabakure, ne? They don't have parents, no. They never have parents and say, but here we are, right?
Well, Varumeka Jinji, our parents are not good with that. Wakambozonere kuti mukadzi ukamudhumanisa vanotanga kubandana vari tu. Varume ukavadhumanisa vanogona kukubanda iwe wacho wadhumanisa iwe. Varikozvo vanozokukanganisana vachiita sei. But still makizi tutsvaga ndaona ndaisa kumakiza
Bezino no kangano.
ndakakanda dako. But my story still, I'm asking, why are you asking about Sarafina now? Zambo Bakupi, Wamurota Nasi.
Yeah. I think it was a dream. But anyways, I'm just saying good. Well, in the future, right? I don't want to lose you. Because of women.
I don't want to lose you too.
Yeah.
So we'll never lose each other.
Yeah, sha. Ndangofana nemukadzi every once in a while ndoda kuti assurance kuti ndikudiwa zveshuwa pandiri nemunhu.
Chero tikambochinja nawo kambotora wimba ndombotora maitanya.
No.
Toramba chiwirirana.
Unoramba uchiwirirana. Ndesizawirirana. Yeah. Ah, sure. What? Ndomboenda kuchimbuzi. Donondimirira futi padoor since watonondida nemoyo wese.
Aiwa, not that kind of love.
Dude. Rudo noboyembaisa ndinoona rwandire.
Nah. Rudo runopa mukadzi wangu rwakatosiyana nerwandokupa.
Okay, can I ask you a question? What's stopping you from waiting for me outside the bathroom? Chinokutadza izvozvo iwe uchizviitira wemba.
Ndinada kuona wagara pachimba.
Okay. As Nyadzisi, I have to relieve myself. Right?
It's nature.
Cannot know the silent assassin.
Hello guys, it's your girl Maitanya. What's up? Tukushuta season 7. So tell a friend to tell a friend kuti mulike nekusubscribe ku Angel Arts Productions.